Hi, wanna know how to clone app on your Vivo X100 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named apps. Open it and here go to this tab which is named app clone. Here you'll be able to see a full list of all of the applications available to be cloned. So, for example, let's choose Facebook. We would need to click on this slider to clone this application. You can see that the cloning app process has been done, and now we have our copy of the Facebook, which looks like this. And the difference is that you can see that I got two Facebooks on my home screen, but this one is named second Facebook, and it also got this copy icon on it, which is a little black circle with two more circles in it. And here's the difference. Now you can have your two Facebook accounts on both of these applications, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.